My name is Arlo Bigler, and I am a crew lead here at the Meadow Center / environmental interpreter. Every freshman at Texas State actually has to take a glass bottom boat ride here at the Meadow Center, and as soon as I got off mine, I knew that this is exactly where I wanted to spend all of my time. So I immediately applied for a position and got the job. I've been working here since freshman year. I didn't know that Spring Lake was here. I didn't know where this water was coming from or why it was so clear. So having that glass under the boat to let you see everything, you could see the water coming out of the aquifer. It was an incredible and powerful experience. My favorite spot here is a site that we call Deep Hole. It's the deepest part of Spring Lake. It's about 30 feet deep. Actually, the Quilatecan indigenous people have their entire creation story based around Deep Hole. Essentially, they believe that their peoples came up from that spring. So it's very spiritually rich. My favorite animal here is the Texas blind salamander. This species is actually endemic, so it lives in this one area only, and that area is the Edwards Aquifer. You won't find it anywhere else in the world, but we do have it on display in our aquarium here at the Meadow Center, and it is endangered, so it's at risk of becoming extinct. So I'm a special education major, and I've kind of always known that that was my calling. All throughout school, I always made best friends with kids that were more ostracized, and when I got into high school, I started volunteering at camps for kids with disabilities and just found out that that is 100% my niche. With special education, obviously I want to be a teacher. I'm also really intrigued by outdoor learning, outdoor education, which oftentimes does not overlap with special education, but just because there's lots of mobility issues. And so I would like to kind of bridge that gap.